nigga want to cut it and shit. This nigga retarded.
That nigga right there. That's a nigga right there.
I can do that. That ain't nothing.
This nigga dropping from the roof?
Yeah, how you do that shit?
How long is this nigga's tongue?
That's that nigga smoke. Look at Pooks. No. Look at Pook. Pook done drove all the way up the motherfucking street.
I'm about to go get the vet. Get the vet out. Look, Quan thinking like, I'm gonna do it one day. Fine, I'm gonna do it one day. Get Quan face, get Quan face.
Quap.
I'm gonna do it one
Quap. Where your keys at? Look at Poop! Look at Poop! You can't spit that motherfucker, bro. You know what he doing.
Bird gonna sit on his head. Bird gonna sit on his head. Look at that hood.
Niggas out here got that cloud. Niggas out here getting clouded today. Look at that. Huh? Low. These niggas is stupid as fuck. These niggas is stupid.
I hit my diva rocket. That's all I've been lying.
Go on, where the key?
They don't rent out. You know you want?
Give me the key. Quan, give me the key.
He had to get down.
Quan, give me the key. Quan, give me the key.
Hey, Joe, you gonna do?
Quan, give me the key.
You're in there.
Give me the key.
There's a car. Everybody remember that night I went crazy.